My name is Siaac. I'm the manager of Dolomite Camp. So our lodge is an eco lodge, and our aim is to offer the beauty of Namibia's untouched wilderness without compromising on the sustainability. So the challenges we faced before the installation, we relied heavily on the diesel because we're using the generator, which is costly and also noisy. The energy solution have impacted the guest experience positively in the sense that the area is more now quieter.
The Dolomite Lodge installation stood out in our portfolio because it was one of our first bigger Sigenergy installations. So we started with an energy audit for the lodge. After that we started with the designs and then we did the procurement for the system. Another challenge was the internet access at this remote location. So we actually had to install 3 12-meter high towers. We address the logistics in phases. But I believe our past experience in working in such remote areas gave us an advantage in organizing all the logistics and get the equipment safety to site. The system consists of 121 kilowatt peak PV Jinko Solar modules. We installed 5 times 25 kilowatt SigenStor inverters together with 30 times 8 kilowatt hour lithium batteries from SigenStor. We also installed a 120 kilowatt gateway that makes it possible to upgrade the system if energy demand increases in future. The great thing is with the Sigen app that we can monitor the system live. Another great feature is that we can change settings remotely. So you can sit at your office and maybe adjust when to engage the generator and when to disengage the generator. So that's a great feature of the Sigen app.
What makes Alensy the EPC for the installations is the fact that they've been with us for a long time now. Dolomite is not the first camp they are installing power. They've done it to our sister camps like SDL, Hobas, Sesrim, and Ongoshi, and I think Dolomite is the 5th one. So it's a company which is investing in clean power and making sure that Namibians' environment is protected. So they are good at what they do, and if there's a company out there which want to invest in clean energy, so I advise them to contact Alensy.
Siaac supported us greatly throughout the project. They assisted in finalizing the container layout, ensured fast delivery of equipment, and provided valuable guidance during commissioning. Siaac even joined us on site to support the process hands-on. Earlier this year in April, they also invited me to visit the Sigenergy production line and R&D department, which was an absolutely great experience and gave me deeper insight in the quality and innovation behind the products.
Sustainability is very important to our business model as well as to our clients, because that's what attracts most of our clients to the lodge. We are eco lodge and our activity should not harm our environment. We must make sure that our operation is sufficient but also respect the environment around us.
It shows that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand with the right technology and expertise. So I believe this is the future for luxury lodges.